Hello children, welcome to the online classes of computer science. Today again we are going to cover our C++ programming topic. So here again I have written a program for you all. So let's start from the very first line. As we have discussed in our last class that what does these hash includes suggest. Basically this hash includes are the preprocessor, these are the header files which we include in our program, and these are mandatory files. So first is our including iostream.h header file, which includes the input output files. Then we have hash include conio.h, which includes the console header files. Okay, after including these two files, now we have our main function, which is void main. I've explained you in our previous class that why we write void in front of main. We can also write other return types also are there. This will take up in some other classes, but as of now we will just write void main, because our program is not going to return any value. So for that, void main. Now this curly braces marks the block beginning of this main. This is the beginning of this main block. Then we have CLR SCR, which means to clear the screen, and of course this has to be ended with the terminator. And then the next is cout. Cout is an object which is used to print the lines on the display screen. So this I'm using it, and then these are the cascading brackets, and then after this, inside this double quotes, whatever I'm writing inside this double quotes will be printed as it is. So today I have written is my name is Varsha. You can write yours when you will be doing your practical. And then of course I've said that inside main block the lines should end with a terminator. We call this as a terminator, so I put a terminator. And then we have get ch. As I've explained you in our previous classes that why do we use getch, and I've also shown you this while doing a practical, that we want the output screen to be held for a moment till we enter any keys from the keyboard. So for that we write this getch. Okay, it means get a character from the keyboard. So for that, and then again a terminator in the end, and then the end of the main talk, and with this end the program is done. Okay, this is a very simple program to print your name or to print anybody's name. Okay, fine. So the same program I've written on this coding window, your C++ coding window. I have written the same program over here. Okay children, why I showed you on notepad, because I wanted a clear vision of it, since the letters are in a very enlarged form there. That is why you need not to write anything on notepad, you can directly write it over here. So now as I've said, all these lines and all these statements that I told you there are all here as it is. So now after writing this program, now what we are going to do is we are going to compile it first. Okay, because with the compilation only we will get to know that what are our errors, if we have done any mistake. So by that only we'll get to know our mistakes. So for compile, shortcut key is Alt plus F9, or you can also go from the tabs that are available at the top. Compile, and it shows success, means there is no as such error. Press any key and then you may run your program after that. Shortcut key to run the program is Ctrl plus F9, and you can also go from the tab options. So this is the output. My name is Varsha. This output screen, children, will be there as long as you enter any key from the keyboard. Okay, as soon as you will enter any key from the keyboard, you will be back to the coding window, and here we are. So this is a program. Now suppose children, again I want to print something. Fine. So again I'm writing, suppose cout, and then inside I'm writing say for hello. My name is Varsha, hello, and then semicolon. Fine. So what I'm going to do first is, I'm going to compile my program. No error. Fine. And then now I'm going to run it. See, as you can see children, the that the output is on the same line. Okay, fine. My name is Varsha, hello. But here, as you can see, the cout statement that I gave it in the next line. Okay, and I want the same way also. Like I want my name is Varsha, and then after in that next line I want this hello to be printed. Okay, so for that what we can do is we can put endl for that. Okay, so here is how we can do that. Remove the semicolon, just put cascading brackets again. Fine, and then write ENDL in small letters. ENDL. Okay, end L. Okay, some students write this is wrong. This is not endl, it is endl. ENDL, and then this semicolon. Now we'll see what this endl do. First we need to compile this. No error, and now we are going to run it. Now as you can see, in the first line the first output is there, that is my name is Varsha, and in the next line this hello is printed. So now you can make out a difference that why we have put endl over here, because I wanted that whatever is written, that whatever output is given should be printed after this next line, and therefore for that endl I have written. Okay children, this is why endl I have used. There is one more way to do this that we'll come to know in the afterwards classes, but as of now, to print the statements in different line, after every cout statement you put the endl and with the cascading brackets. Okay, see the cascading brackets are there, and then I put endl and then semicolon. Okay, do not do a mistake that you put a semicolon over here and then you put a cascading brackets and then write endl and then again put a semicolon. This is going to be an error. Yes, error is there. See, expression syntax. You can see expression syntax. Children, when it says syntax error, it means something you've written is wrong. It is not the way we write in C++. Syntax is, it's not the correct way to write in C++. So this is the error. So whenever you get this kind of error, it means you have written something wrong. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to correct this. So I'm going to put this, I'm going to remove this, and then it's done. Now compile it again. No error. Fine. So I hope this concept is clear. So practice this, and I hope you are enjoying your C++ practical classes. Thank you.